Part 1. The File That Shouldn't Exist. Psychological Mystery Episode 1 of 4. Before this story begins, I want you to pause for a moment. Not the video. Your thoughts. Think about your name. Your identity. Everything that proves you exist. Now imagine discovering. None of it is on record. Ethan worked in a government archive building in the Midwest. No windows. No phones allowed. Just endless rows of old files. Lives reduced to paper and ink. Most people hated the job. Ethan didn't. There was something comforting about order, about knowing everything had a place. Until one night something didn't. At exactly 2:17 a.m., a new file appeared on his desk. He hadn't requested it. No system alert. No delivery log. Just a thin gray folder. Stamped across the front in red ink. File 447X. Access not authorized. Ethan frowned. Curiosity always felt harmless. Until it wasn't. He opened the file. Inside was a single photograph. A man standing under a streetlight. Same height. Same scar above the left eyebrow. Same face. It was him. Ethan's stomach tightened. Below the photo, typed in clean black letters. Name not applicable. Birth record missing. Current status. Under observation. His pulse spiked. He quickly searched the system for his own name. The screen blinked. Then displayed. No record found. No, that's not possible, he whispered. He checked again. Nothing. As if he had never been born. The lights above him flickered. For half a second the room went dark. And in that darkness, someone spoke. Come. Close. You weren't supposed to open that. Ethan spun around. No one was there. The lights snapped back on. The file was gone. The computer screen was blank. But his hand was shaking. On his wrist, where there had been nothing before, was a fresh mark. 3 numbers. 447. Ethan backed away from the desk. His reflection stared back at him from the glass cabinet, but it moved a fraction of a second too late. That's when he realized something terrifying. The file wasn't about who he was. It was about what was replacing him. And this is where the story pauses. Because what Ethan discovers next changes everything he believes about reality, identity, and whether he's even human. Backhand index pointing right. If this story pulled you in, hit like. It tells the algorithm you want part 2. Backhand index pointing right. Subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. Because part 2 reveals who created file 447X and why people like Ethan are being erased. And trust me, part 2 is darker, faster, and impossible to forget.